anyway, NAB week has been come through with Blackmagic Design released its new Pocket Cinema camera that is in around a 4K video. This thing looks really nice. I will have a little screenshot image up above me, and it actually comes with some major improvements for 4K video. I don't usually use 4K video. I use 1080. I mainly use 1080. That's what I prefer, is 1080. 4K is nice. Yeah, it is really nice. But 1080 is really more, it looks more clear and more cinematic and more professional compared to 4K. 4K is more upscale. It's more upscale. It's not, it's okay to use. Like, if I want to use 4K, I can just go into Premiere, because I use Premiere Pro, as you know. Hit File New, and then I could just scroll down and I could just hit 4K that way. If I want to edit in 4K. If I want to shoot in 4K, that's a little bit different. 4K cameras cost a lot of money. A lot. Yeah. It was limited to 1080, and its predecessor, the new model that can capture the footage in 10-bit ProRes of 12-bit RAW. Unlike its predecessor, it can record straight to external drives over the USB-C, which is a huge advantage for largely 4K files. 4K, yeah, that's why I don't like 4K. 4K is very large, and I just don't prefer 4K. It's very larger compared to 1080. 1080 is not that bad of a file size, especially if you export into H.264. Yeah. So, and this camera had released its at NAB. I don't know when it will release to it public, when you want to actually buy it. It's like a mini XLR connector. Lot support 4K recording at 60 frames per second. Yeah, you'll get full frame or even the Super 35 cameras into that. So yeah, this camera is pretty big. It's pretty big file size. Let me know in the comments below of what you thought of this camera. If you're a filmmaker, or if you're a videographer, or any video person, or even a photographer. Let me know what your thoughts on this camera. Are you gonna actually buy this camera of Blackmagic Design? The new 4K camera that Blackmagic Design released at NAB 2018. Let me know in the comments below of what your thoughts are on that one. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yeah, subscribe. Guys, hit the subscribe button. I need subscribers. Alright? I have a sinus infection. So yeah. It is true, I do have a sinus infection. So follow me all the way out. And make sure you follow me all the way out of @Sammy'sLive. And see ya. Peace. Bye. And